Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in Scratch and in my account. So this is a project. It is called Peaceful Video Game Songs Remix. So here, we're gonna go to Super Smash Bros. Let's see. So this is its sprite. The costumes. Let's go to the costumes. Now it says Super Smash. How you do that is to pick type and do pixels.
And where do you get the image? You can't get the image from Scratch because so you need to download it from the internet.
Yeah. So here it says, when S key pressed, play sound Super Smash Bros. That's a song from Super Smash Bros.
So when you hit the S key on a computer or on a device, it will play the Super Smash Bros. Song.
Then when K pressed, stops all sound. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna press S.
It turns to the image.
Okay, let's do it again. I'm gonna press K. And it stopped. Okay, now let's go to Minecraft. So it's just like the same one. But right here, hey, where's the other go? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it stops because I pressed K. Now let's go to Mario Kart. It's like just like the same code, but it's just like
a different key in a different song.
Yeah. Okay, it said press M. Let's do it. You might be wondering how the picture shows. We're gonna go there in a few minutes. Now, this is just like same one but different key and different song again. Let's do it. Okay, now, I said you might be wondering that thing. Now, over here. This is for Super Smash Bros. This is a different kind of picture, it's not the same picture as this. So when the green flag is clicked, it will hide. So you can't see it. Then when the K key pressed, when the K key is pressed, it will hide. So you can't see it again. But when the S key is pressed, it will show. Let's press S. Okay, after I press S, I'm going to press K. You see, it showed its costume. So the costume is just this. I just downloaded it, okay? Okay, next, I have the Mario image. So it's for Mario Kart. It's just like, it's actually the same code as Super Smash Bros. Except the S key became the M key. Now, it's like just repeating, except it's a different key when like the M changed into F and the F changes to A. Okay, let's see project page. So here's thanks to Cool Stuff Kid for the original project, Peaceful Video Game Songs, which is funny because Cool Stuff Kid is right next to me. It's Andrew. So here is our instructions. See, they're A, so you know if you want to hear that song, press A, then S for Super Smash Bros, then M for Mario Kart, F for Mario Party, and K to stop all music. I had to make the K because so you don't see the image when you press like okay. I'm gonna press S. And there will be this costume, like this sprite, right? I have to press K to get it hide again. It was a little bit hard to figure that out. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.